This is the Jagannath Temple in Puri, a massive historical complex that has served as the spiritual center of the region for centuries. Inside, the gods are made of wood, and wood, by its nature, decays. Every 12 to 19 years, in a ritual known as Nabakalebara, these revered idols are declared dead, removed from their pedestals, and buried. But the temple's lineage remains unbroken because of a single hidden object. Before the old idols are destroyed, a secret core, the Brahma Padartha, is extracted and secured inside the new wooden frame. The transfer occurs in total darkness. The Dayapati priests who handle the object are blindfolded and wear thick cloth gloves, operating entirely by touch. Those performing the ritual are forbidden from looking at what they carry. If no human eye has seen it and no bare hand has touched it, we're left to wonder what exactly has resided within these wooden shells for over 5 millennia. Human understanding usually starts with what we can touch. The most popular earthly explanation for this mystery is biological, that the Brahma Padartha is the physical heart of Lord Krishna. Local lore describes Krishna leaving his mortal body at Prabhas. While his physical form was cremated, his heart is said to have remained indestructible, a surviving piece of divinity that eventually found its way into the temple's idols. If a biological organ surviving the ages feels impossible, the explanation shifts from flesh to earth. These are shalogram stones. In a geological context, the Brahma Padartha is viewed as a hyper-dense spiritual battery, a sacred stone containing the concentrated cosmic energy of Lord Vishnu. These first two theories reveal a persistent human desire, the need to anchor immense divine power to something tangible, like bone or stone. Moving further away from physical matter, the theories become elemental. Some describe the core as an Akhand Jyoti, an eternal, unquenchable flame that has been burning silently inside the wood for centuries. At the very top of the ladder, all form disappears. This theory suggests the object is pure para Brahma, an omnipresent cosmic light that can only be perceived by a person who has achieved total spiritual awakening. This creates a paradox. If the object is truly formless and invisible, its existence becomes impossible to verify through sight alone. Yet the temple finds proof in the physical toll taken on its priests. During the midnight transfer, despite their blindfolds, the Dayapati often report a sudden, violent surge of energy that overwhelms the senses. The symptoms are documented and severe. Priests frequently faint, experience vivid supernatural visions, or fall into trances where they begin reciting complex mantras they have never been taught. These reactions suggest that the power of the Brahma Padartha is real enough to affect the human nervous system, regardless of whether it has a physical shape or not. We are left with 4 distinct possibilities: a heart, a stone, a flame, or pure energy. Historically, we find evidence and believers for all of them. But as these physical labels merge, the search for a single material identity begins to feel secondary. These competing theories are perhaps less about the object itself and more about our own need to categorize the infinite, giving it names and shapes so we can better understand it. The ritual destruction of the wooden gods provides the final context. It serves as a reminder that the physical body, whether of a man or a god, is merely a temporary vessel that eventually decays. The Brahma Padartha acts as a mirror for the human condition. It suggests that while the outer shell is destined to return to the earth, the essence within remains indestructible and formless.